What's up, fam? What's up? What's up? How's everybody doing? Welcome back to another week of the night shift. My name is Brad. I am your host every single night that the market is open. I'm good to be back home. Lady Darb and I drove home today. This morning, we left early this morning from north of Dallas and drove all the way back down to Houston and got settled in, got everything hooked back up the way it's supposed to be. Man, it's good to be with you guys again. As always, what an incredible way to end the week last week on Friday. Massive sell-off. Big rejection at the end of the day, big pullback, huge gap down tonight. We gapped down 68 points on, 68 points on ES, and we gapped down, we got down 300 and something points on NQ. Now, it's been grinding higher ever since we've opened here. Just a crazy times to be trading in right now. The market is just doing all kinds of nutty stuff. But hope y'all had a good week last week. Hope it all ended well with you on Friday. I had one fallen soldier on Friday, but the funded account, we locked in a nice payout. I took the full payout of $1,000 from my funded futures, got it. And yeah, that account is basically not much left in it. I don't even have it up right now. I'll probably pull it up tomorrow and see what's left in it. But I have two new Lucid Flex evals we're going to be playing with tonight. I took a little gamble right as we broke through MHP here. I took a little buy, and then as it started dropping down, it came back up. It didn't show any willingness here at half gap. I cut it loose just for a small little loss, MHP is about to get reclaimed here on ES. Not really sure how I feel about any of this right now. This is just an irrational move down already. We opened below DD band on both NQ and ES. Very irrational. We have reclaimed a little bit. We're about halfway through on the half gap on NQ, trying to support above it a little bit. We have dynamic MHP and HP right above us. They're stacked up right on top of each other. ES MHP is where we're at right now, and it has acted as resistance both times now. So I don't know how I feel about any of this. Obviously, all of the war stuff that's going on has created a ton of tension over the weekend. Trump, of course, announcing that they're sending troops and that he's given them a 48-hour ultimatum deadline. Open the Strait of Hormuz and let takers go through, or we're going to take out every basically power plant in Iran. We're going to just shut off all the lights, all the energy. It's all going away. And I think we're about 24 hours into that. So tomorrow at some point, Iran will either decide to open the Strait of Hormuz and let takers go in, or I guess call his bluff and see if they just start taking out all of the power supply in Iran. And that, you know, obviously is the big gap. So we're sending more Marines over there, and we're about to just bomb them back to a third world country, it sounds like. So market's not really responding too well to that. We have reclaimed about half on ES and NQ of the gap down. Not really sure what we want to do here from the rest of the time. So I don't know. I feel like shorting pops. That just makes the most sense to me right now. Is trying to figure out like any push up. Just it doesn't. I mean. Unless you're getting news of a ceasefire, every bit of news that comes out, it should be shorted, in my opinion. Matt basically said the same thing on Friday. Friday, of course, we had the massive sell-off all afternoon. Right at the end of the market, we got a pretty big rally up there. So, how did your Friday end, guys? How did your Friday end? Were you green? Were you red? Any fallen soldiers? Did you pass any evals? Get any payouts? How was the weekend? Let me know in chat. Let me know in chat, and we'll see how everybody's going. I need to say some hellos to everybody. Trader 007 NQ, Lucas Krug, I'm Liquidity, Mom Bucks, Madeline, P Long, T Woot, Mark Frank, JPN, Digital Nukes, Ryan Wade, what's up? What's up? Gabe's in the house, Devil Jinx, Spencer, Harry Poker. Man, good to see you guys. See Wisdom, what's going on, man? Hope you guys had a great weekend. Solo Trader, welcome back. Man, hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you were green. Hope you were able to pull out some profits off of that big sell-off all afternoon on Friday. Small gains. Yoga Tai says green, small gains. Tizbad says requesting 4K from Lucid and 4K from Alpha. Nice, buddy. Nice. GG's gray line. Green week for sure on 2 of my Lucid fundings. What's up, Sandy? I lost one eval on Friday, but locked in the minimum profit on my funded futures, my 50K account, and took the $1,000 payout. Do you trade New York session, Sandy? Yes, I do trade the New York session. Matt there's 2 other streamers. There's 3 shows on this channel every day. Matt is the founder of this channel. This is the Day Trading with Matt channel. My name is Brad. I'm the host of the night shift. And Matt, his channel, he streams the New York session every single morning from about 8:30 Eastern all the way up till about noon or so. He's trading a $100K to $1 million live cash account challenge. And then Neon, our friend, comes on in the afternoons and streams all afternoon to market close. And then, of course, I'm here every night the market is open. I kick us off every Sunday night now. I kick the week off. The night shift starts everything here on Rocket Scooter. But yeah, we've got a lot of cool stuff happening this week on the channel. Of course, The brand new prop scoring website is going to be beta released to all Rocket Scooter Discord members tomorrow. And I think he actually posted on X over the weekend that if you wanted access, he was going to give access to 1,000 people. They had to like, repost, tag 2 people, all that stuff. But yeah, the website's going to be great. It's going to be nice to see how it turns out. Finally, kind of a lot of getting thousands of eyeballs on it now before we do a full public release launch here, probably after a week or so. Excited to see what that's going to be. Of course, Rocket Scooter tools are going to be inside of Go Charting, I think, this week, which is going to be really kind of a game changer for a lot of prop firm traders who use Rocket Scooter tools, because we'll be able to access all of the Rocket Scooter platform inside of Go Charting. I think that's coming out this week as well. So a lot of really cool stuff going on this week. How are you guys feeling about the market? Do you think we fill the gap? That's a great poll question. That's a great poll question. Let's get a poll going. Start a poll. Do we fill the gap down in the Asia session? What's up, Matt? How you doing, buddy? Gabe says, I think Trump says sorry, resigns, and we all live happily ever after. Wouldn't that be nice? I don't know. I mean, we've definitely been bullish off the open. We haven't shown really any weakness besides the gap down. We haven't shown a ton of weakness. We also haven't shown a ton of strength. MHP is kind of holding us down on the ES side. The half gap from the gap down is kind of right where, support and resistance at the moment. We have MHP and HP on NQ sitting above us. I feel like I want to short, but if I'm going to short, I want to short from a higher high. I don't know that I want to short MHP. I've gotten burned shorting MHP before in the past. If we reclaim MHP strong and then get a retest, maybe that's the go, maybe that's the play. Man, I bet a bunch of people kept trying to catch that knife all afternoon on Friday. I bet there were a lot of people trying to guess where that thing was going to turn. And probably a lot of breached accounts and margin calls all the way through that. It was kind of nasty. I was able to catch a piece of that on my funded account, which was nice. Lock in my minimum profit, request my payout from my funded futures. I've been stressed, not really stressed, but I've been like, just kind of like, I don't even know what the right word is. Frustrated, I guess, is probably the right word, on just the way I've been trading. Since I've started streaming about a month ago, I have not traded my best. Some of it, maybe it's the market conditions. Some of it is probably mental side of just streaming live and getting that kind of all worked out with my trading plus mentality of coming on and being able to talk to y'all. And I've talked about that before many times, but it was nice to lock in a payout finally. And get that all locked up from my funded futures. Actually have, just so y'all don't think I'm joshing you. There it is. And I know it's not a big payout. It was more for me, like, I could have kept growing that account, but for me it was a mental win. It was the mental block of not trading super well since I've started streaming that I was like, I need to take this for myself. Like, I need to see the payout. I need to just get back in the groove of like, okay, yeah, I'm used to that. I know what that looks like. I've been there many times before. We're back in the ball game. That's 100% the reason why I took that payout instead of just trying to grow that account and milk it. I took it It reset the obviously drawdown limit to 100. I think I've got like $800 left in drawdown there. I'll probably pull it back up tomorrow and maybe try to micro that thing back up a little bit. But for me, it was just like, yeah, that's kind of the thing that I want to do. And that's what I did. I kind of feel like we're holding above MHP. Do I take another stab here? Why not? MHP every single time. See if we can get a run up. At least let NQ get up to int MHP, and maybe that will probably act as some support and resistance here if NQ can run up there. NQ can run up to MHP. That would be a nice little play for me. That'd probably give me, you know, maybe 8 or 9 points, 10 points on ES with 3 micros. I'd be happy with that. I would be happy with that. What's up, M? How you doing? Day Trading Wolf says, I hope so. Harry Poker says, I was hoping for same last week. Well, it didn't work out. Conman says, option flow showing good bounce, possible backup. Yep. Gabe says, I just shorted MHP, thought I got burned, but made 500 bucks. There you go. There you go. Somebody, unfortunately, if Trump steps down, we get JD, Palantir's lapdog. We will quickly enter a dystopian reality if that happens. I mean, he's the vice president. If anything happens to Trump, we all know what happens. Busted Trade, what's going on, man? What's up, dude? Welcome in. Guys, smash that like button for me on the way in. You know the drill. 200 likes. That's our first giveaway. We give away accounts every single stream. I give away a couple every night, plus some boot camps. Matt gives away a few every one of his shows. Neon gives away every one of his shows. The more likes that you hit, the more accounts we can give away. The more the stream goes, the more we get, the more free stuff we get to give to you guys. So, smash that like button for me. Let's get it going. Not shorting, way oversold on the higher time frame. Should get a push up to NQ MHP. That's what I'm hoping for, Con Man. Maybe we'll see what happens. 98 SR 20 debt says, you got some money in the bank. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I mean, it wasn't so much really about the money. Like, obviously, it's nice to get money. It's, you know, I've been paying for evals, and I'm currently underwater. Like, I have spent more on my evals than that payout. Now, that payout took me close back to break even, basically, on all the evals that I purchased from Lucid and My Funded Futures and whatnot. But it was more about the fact that it was just like I hadn't had a payout since I started streaming, and I just needed to see that. Like, my brain needed that win and needed that payout, and so that's what we did. So good to have it back. Hitches says, took my first payout for the same reason, all around 100, 1,000 or a bit less. Yeah, confidence is huge, man. Makes a big difference. Makes a big difference. It's not real money until it gets in your bank. Hugo lacked confidence. That's right. What's up, Kurt Nichols? How you doing, man? How will I get my login info since I won the other day? You talking about the boot camp, Kurt? Future didn't shorted 24.15, almost an hour in the trade. Oh, you shorted in Q from 24.15? Ooh. Yeah, you a little bit underwater there. I'd like to see half gap hold and get a little push up to MHP on NQ here. We'll see if we can get it. I'm gonna just keep it on the 5-minute time frame. There's no reason to watch the 1-minute candles there at this point right now. Love my honest point of view. Thanks, man. I'm just trying to be real, be vulnerable, show you the process, show you what I go through. The mental game of trading, the mental side of streaming on top of trading. It can mess with you, you know? You know, you got to come in here and you got to show everybody your accounts and show you how you're trading and show you the positions. That's one thing that we've all committed to on this channel is being real, man. Like, if we get into a position, you're going to see it. And if we have Red, we have red. If we have green, we have green. If we have payouts, we have payouts. If we don't, we don't. If we blow up, we blow up. You're going to see it all. Like, we're not trying to hide anything here. The good and the bad, the ugly, the pretty. Gabe, I love Brad. Lucas says, we need some house music song for the stream, please. What do you mean house music? I got the house music going. You can't hear it? Are you talking about like the lo-fi chill vibes? You don't like my AI music? That's a nice little dump. Little dumpage. Little dumpage. MHP holding his resistance here. I was short. No, I wasn't. I was long MHP here. Holding it. Taking it as the retest here, getting slammed. This could be the sell-off. We just get to half gap and just dump from here. I don't know. Let's see. I got in at 56, 46. Sir Trading says, how can I find the HP and MHP and DD levels? So, Sir Trading, it's all inside of Rocket Scooter, the Rocket Scooter platform, which requires a subscription to get. But inside the Rocket Scooter platform, on every instrument that you're trading, for every contract that you're trading, we have our risk interval and our upper and lower DD bands for each contract. However, tonight, we are having a little bit of a technical issue on the platform with all of the equities, the indexes. So the Russell, the E-mini, the S&P, the NASDAQ, the risk interval has not updated for some reason. And so I know that tech's working on that right now, but we have the previous day. We have the risk interval from Friday for both of these. And it's easy to do the math on those, but you would get all of that information inside of Rocket Scooter platform. Now, the MHP and HP levels, the overnight levels, are posted inside of our Discord for Rocket Scooter members. And I'm cutting that right there, taking a full 10-point loss on that. Those MHP levels are posted right before the session opens. Inside of our Discord. They're not automated yet. We're working on getting those automated. Hopefully soon they will be automated, but they're just not right now. So we post them every night for the whole community, and then we just add them to our charts here for the Asia session. Good job on that MHP short if you took it. Nicely done, nicely done. I'm going to rotate to another account. I'm not just going to claw that one. I'm going to go to this other eval that I've got and work on it tonight and see if we get any more, if I see another opportunity. I feel like I still feel bearish on this, but I love your music, like European house music. Oh, I need to get some more house music. I see what you're saying. You want me to make some house music? I got you. What's up, Arena? You need some of that. Yeah, you need some of that, right? Where did oil open up? Did oil have a big gap? Yeah, it did. Let's get that on there. Oil filled its entire gap already. Interesting. $98 a barrel. It's really going to come down. Sorry guys, I just kind of spaced out. I'm just sometimes I get in my own head and I forget. You have to be an external processor when you're streaming. Like you have to like just stream a thought. Whatever you're thinking about, you got to talk about it. I was just thinking, very interesting that we gapped up that high. We gapped up, 2%. We gapped up about $2 a barrel ish. I'm sorry, that's up here. Yeah, about $2 a barrel ish. And we've already closed all of that. Sitting right back at the open. This market is completely driven by the war. 100%. This market right now is reacting to every headline that we get from the Middle East. And right now, everything is kind of teetering on, will Iran open the Strait of Hormuz or risk calling Trump's bluff that Trump said you have 48 hours or we're going to bomb all of your power plants and energy production in the country. It's kind of that. I mean, that's why we gap down so large. Like, it doesn't appear that Iran wants to negotiate or want, like, I feel like they just want to dig in their heels and wait this out and wait for the public to turn, the public opinion to kind of turn on the Trump administration. The longer it goes, the more people kind of get tired of it and don't understand the point of it. It's all a big mess. So we have, the poll is up. We put in the poll, do we fill the gap down in the Asia session? 66% think that we go to fill the gap before the Asia session ends. So, I mean, that's a fairly healthy majority of people think we go to fill the gap. That's pretty bullish. That's a 200-point move from where we are right now on NQ. That's a 200-point move on NQ. High Liquidity says, yeah, we have the backup oil from Venezuela. It doesn't really, I don't think it really matters too much that the market doesn't really care at this point that we have oil from Venezuela. The market cares about the worldwide impact that this war is having, and that 20% of all of the oil in the world flows through the Strait of Hormuz. And that's going to affect not just energy prices, but it's going to affect every industry that oil touches, and that's pretty much all of them. So we do the opposite. Yeah, so we're gonna sell. 66% of chat, thanks for filling the gap. So we short. Yeah, I don't think Trump's bluffing. Anybody that thinks Trump's bluffing at this point, I mean, you haven't really been paying attention. All of the reasoning for why they said they were doing this, about not letting Iran have a nuclear weapon. I mean, they bombed their whole nuclear facility. They did that like back in the fall sometime. We flew bombers over there. Israel bombed. Like, we knocked out their, supposedly, and then now here we are months later, and suddenly they're 2 weeks away from having a nuclear warhead, and that's the reason that we were given to go in and do all of the things that we're doing right now. And so stuff just doesn't, and I'm not a politician, and I'm not trying to get into like how and why, the how and the why of everything that's going on over there. It just doesn't feel like this is going to end quickly or soon. Trump keeps saying, oh, we're ahead of schedule, but so far everything seems to be pointing towards This doesn't look as clean as you say it looks right now. Yeah, Farina, you're right. He was like, hey, everyone come over here and help us. Everyone come over. Come on, guys. Everyone, please come over here and help us. And everybody was like, nah, we're good. And then he was like, you know what? We don't even need you anyway. Screw y'all. We didn't need your help, didn't want your help. We were just going to, it was just a test to see who actually was loyal to us. I don't know, man. It doesn't look good. You feel bearish. I feel bearish. I feel like the war is driving the market at this point. There's really nothing to be excited about that makes you feel like we need to run up. And I know people are like, oh, we're way oversold, we're way oversold, we're way oversold. The market can be irrational and keep selling off way longer than your rational mind keeps saying, oh, we're oversold, we're just oversold, we're just oversold. So guys, we need to get to 200 likes. Smash that like button. We have about 250 people in here, but we only have 97 likes at the moment. Smash that like button. Smash it. Just reach right on down there. It's free. It basically takes zero effort at all. It helps grow. There's a giveaway. Yeah, there's a giveaway. We're going to do giveaways, but we have to get to 200 likes. No giveaways until we get to 200 likes. So smash that like button. We have a couple of accounts to give away. Slacks, our admin, has filled up the treasure chest tonight. And if we get to 200 likes, that will be the first opportunity to get one. So just reach on over there and smash that like button. It's real easy. It's very simple. It helps us support the channel, and the bigger that we get, the more free stuff we get. And the more stuff we can give away to you guys. So let's keep it up. So here's what I'm seeing technically speaking. We gapped down over 300 points below DD band, reclaimed DD band, bounced up to half gap, and we have been unable to close above half gap on NQ. ES is very similar, and we have MHP sitting at half gap as well. We're going to need a very aggressive move through MHP to want to push this higher. We also have MHP and HP halfway between the half gap and the gap down on NQ. So doesn't feel super bullish here. Feels like we gapped. It was such a big gap. People needed to recover a little bit. We have. And it feels like this once... I mean, my opinion is bullish. If we can get I'm gonna look to sell. I'm gonna if I get another opportunity from the half gap area, I'm gonna be looking to sell. So smash that like button. Already up to 150 likes. Good job, guys. Keep it going. 50 more likes, and we'll do our first giveaway. Yeah, I am liquidity right. When he commented, his very first comment that the war is over soon was on day 6, and now we're at day 22. So war is over soon, and 2 weeks later we're still into it. Interestingly enough, if you check out the daily time frame, every time we have gapped down from the war, we've had a big gap down. So I think the first one was this the first one? I think this was the first one. Yeah. So we gapped down, big bullish candle on Monday. So this was Sunday. Nope, that's not it. Where was the first one? Where was the first war candle? Was it this one? think it was this one. Gap down, big bullish candle. The very next week, gap down, big bullish candle. And then we had a gap down, big bullish candle. And today we have a gap down. Are we going to get a big bullish candle? Like, the theme since the war has started, every gap down has been met with big bullish, big buying. Every single one. Big gap down. So on NQ, for instance, we gapped down 320 points and we closed bullish. The very next week right here, we gapped down 130 points, closed very bullish. The very next week, last week, we gapped down 111 points, Monday closed very bullish. And today we have gapped down, well, it's a little different. The close is 300, but from the 4 o'clock close, it's like almost 200 points, and we've already kind of almost filled that entire gap right there. Very interesting how the market has reacted to these large gap downs. No follow through to the short side and not necessarily, I'm not talking about the Asia session. I'm talking about by the end of the trading day on Monday, we have been very bullish on every big gap down. What's up, Never Suffer? Watching from Greece. That's awesome. Thanks for being here. Hit that like button. 160 likes. We need 40 more likes and we'll do our first giveaway, guys. You're really sleepy, bro? Get a face wash. That is hilarious. Do I look tired? That's hilarious. Last 2 weeks gap down, Monday, Tuesday rally, Tuesday high of the week sell off. Yep. The high of the ES opening so far stopped right at the 359 candle. It did indeed. Gapped right up to that 4 o'clock open, filled it. I mean, the 4 o'clock close. NQ didn't quite get to its 4 o'clock close. It fell just a little short, but what's up, Dan? We'll get a volume burst here at the Tokyo Open coming up about 20 minutes ish. Oh, you know what we need to do? Did anybody have any fallen soldiers on Friday from that big sell-off? Anybody lose any funded accounts or evals Friday? What's up, Lino? Guys, we got 300 people watching and we only have 167 likes. If you would do me a favor and smash that like button, welcome in if you're just joining it. The night shift here on the Rocket Scooter channel. My name is Brad. I'm your host here every Sunday night through Thursday night, chopping it up with you guys. Fridays was tough, but all soldiers still alive. Good. None last week. Lost one eval. Good. Green on Friday. Passing MFAU on Friday. Green on every day last week. Nice. All right, guys. I had one on Friday. So it's time to just pause. We have to remember they're gone, but they're not forgotten. They did their job. They followed their orders. They were told what to do and bravely went into battle, and they paid the ultimate price to help us in our journey of becoming profitable day traders. So we salute those accounts that have fallen.
They answered the call. When the setup formed, they stepped forward. They took the risk, and they held their ground. They executed their orders with courage. without fear, without hesitation, without complaint. They did not chase glory. They served the mission. And today, they have fallen, stopped out, breached, closed at the edge of the margin. But make no mistake, they did their job. They followed the plan. They faced the volatility. They stood in the fire so we can learn. The loss was a teacher. The pain was a warning. This is the fight for discipline, for mastery. And we do not forget those who paid the price. We rise wiser. We continue the mission. The objective remains. And tomorrow, we trade smarter. We stand stronger. To the accounts that fell in battle, we salute you.
We salute. We salute the accounts that have gone before us. Gone but not forgotten. We will avenge. We will get it back. How much did I pay Vin Diesel to vocalize that? You know, me and Vin, we're pretty tight, bro. You gotta... He owed me some favors from back in the day. I've been helping him learn how to trade, you know, a little bit here and there. Smash that like button. We need 13 more likes. 13 more likes, guys, and we will do our first giveaway here. We'll get it going. 13 more likes to go. 12 more likes to go. I'm going to go ahead and get my wheel of names up because I believe in you guys. I believe in you guys. Get rid of that. All right. What I gotta look and see what my friend Slacks put in the treasure box for us. You just ate the big arch? Did you really? How was it? Was it good? All right, giveaway tonight. Our first giveaway tonight. Your first giveaway tonight is a funded next 25K rapid account. 25K rapid account. We have 4 more likes. 4 more likes. I gotta get my comment picker up. Man, I'm not ready for this. I gotta get my comment picker up. We gotta get that. Get the link. Let's get all this going. All right. 4 more likes. We need 4 more likes. Come on. 211. Bam. Let's go. Hey, keep smashing that like button because if we get to 300 likes is our next giveaway, but we'll go ahead and do our first one right now. We're not even an hour in and we've already got 200 likes. Way to go, guys. Let's see. The keyword tonight. The keyword tonight will be, what should we do? What should we do tonight? What do y'all think? What's a good keyword? What keyword should we use tonight for our first one? Sunday? Dump, buy the dip, Remy, open, wicket, war, salute, gap, oil. Yeah, I like gap down. We had a big gap down. We'll do gap down all caps. One word. Gap down. Gap down all caps. Type gap down all caps. Let's go. Type it in, type it in. I'm going to give you guys 2 minutes. 2 minutes to type it in. 2 minutes to type in the word gap down. Thank you guys for getting us to 200 likes. We started a 400 like streak last week. I think we got 3 in a row. 3 in a row to get to 400. But yeah, the more likes we get, the more stuff we give away. So right now we're going to give away a Funded Next 25K Rapid account. These are really great accounts. You can pass in 1 day. There is no consistency on the Funded Next Rapid accounts. You can pass in 1 day. Once you're funded, it's 40% consistency, which means you can go from eval to payout in 4 days. I milked these accounts when they first came out back in like August, September. I was getting payout after payout on these accounts. They're really good, and Funded Next pays out super fast. If they don't pay you out within 24 hours, they add $1,000 to the payout for missing their 24-hour deadline. So great company, great firm, great account. Nothing to complain about there at all with the 25K Funded Next Rapid accounts. Go ahead and type it in, guys. I'm going to give you 1 more minute to type it in, and then we'll get our wheel of names up here to spin it out. All right, I'm going to move this over here. I'm just going to move that up here for right now so we can watch. We're getting a little dumpage, little sell off there. Oil pumping probably. No, oil's not pumping. Oil's right back to its gap where it gapped up from. This is just a sell off. Immediately back up. Immediately back up above VWAP there. Could get another bounce up to could get another push back up here, back into the half gap area. I'm going to take a stab back up to half gap on this other account here. Probably not. This is just a VWAP, a play off of VWAP here. All right, guys, you got the 44 seconds. 44 seconds here. So if you're looking at like a higher time frame, this is just a pullback. We had the gap down, rally up. This is just a little retrace. If we want to get up to MHP here on NQ, this is a good area to go long from, right off of VWAP. In my opinion, not financial advice, purely for entertainment and educational purposes only. Do not copy trade me. In fact, fade me. All right. Here we go. Grabbing everybody. You can stop typing. I've got all the users in. I have got all the users in. You can stop typing. If your name is in, it's in. If it's not, it's not. Typing anymore isn't going to help you out. All right, we're giving away a 25K rapid account from Funded Next. I'm going to spin the wheel. And if you win, stay tuned. I'll give you instructions on how to claim your prize. Here we go. The winner, Trading the Odds, is the winner. Trading the Odds. If you are in the chat, please type something and let me know you're here. I'm going to give you about 20 seconds, 30 seconds to type something in the chat. Trading the Odds. Let me know you're here. I haven't seen him yet. Hopefully he didn't go to the bathroom and miss out on this really cool account that we're giving to him for free. $3.90 free. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye. Reroll. Shuffling it up. Good luck, guys. You got to type something in chat if you're the winner, or you're not going to win. The next winner, Mac DD Rug. Mac DD Rug, type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Woof. Getting hammered on that long. There he is. Congratulations. All right, Mac, you are going to go into the description of this video and find a link to our Discord. Go into Discord and you're going to find the contest channel in our Discord, and you're inside of the contest channel. You're going to find our admin named Slacks. Send Slacks a message. Let him know that you won the Funded Next account on Brad's stream. Send him, you're going to need to give him a screenshot of your YouTube ID so he knows that you are you. You're going to need to have an email set up with Funded Next, and then he'll hook you up with how to claim your prize. So, congrats, Mac DD Rug. Hope you like that account. Hope it works out for you. Good luck, my friend, with it. Come back and let us know how it turns out. Guys, keep smashing that like button. If we get to 300 likes, 300 likes, we'll do our next giveaway. And our next giveaway tonight, our next giveaway is a Lucid 25K Flex account. These are the very same accounts that you see me trading live here on stream and actually getting hammered on tonight. Getting hammered on it tonight. My gosh. I never saw Ryan. Did you like it? Ryan, did you like the big arch? Isn't it just like a isn't the big arch just a Big Mac, or is it different? How is it different than a Big Mac? And I have been on the wrong side of the market 2 times tonight. It was great. Good. Crispy. Oh, it's got crispy onions on it. Okay. 4 beef patties, not the usual 2. Dang. Well, y'all, I think my next play is DD Band from here, if it's going to go up at all. The crazy thing is you heard me say at the beginning, I was leaning bearish and needed to sell this thing. DD for the win. Let's go. You guys green on this gap down? Did anybody get the bounce up or the bounce down tonight? Why did you long that? That's a great question, Lucas, isn't it? Because that's why. Green, hell no, stopped out, bounced down. I'm in sells. I'm short, up 300. 1,500 on personal account. Got the first long, too afraid to pull again. Took the short. Nice. Good job, guys. Shorted both pops. There you go. Stopped out. Yep. This is even though we're above DD band, the fact that we gapped below DD band on both of these sets up just kind of an irrational trading environment. Got the Tokyo Open coming in. Long from DD band. I don't know if I want to long anything anymore tonight. I think I would I think I'm going to sit on my hands for a minute. Oil ripping. I don't have any more news on my financial juice feed over here. But oil is definitely, and it doesn't have a ton of volume on that. I mean, bigger volume than we've had, but you know, overall, not a ton of volume. News is very quiet tonight. I don't know if that's good or bad. Everybody's kind of left to their own like thoughts and devices about how to interpret the ultimatum that Trump gave Iran this weekend. Trump seems to drop all of this stuff over the weekend, except the one time at the end of the day when he said the war's almost over and Matt had to go answer the door for flowers. Japan to spend around 800 billion from budget reserves to curb gasoline prices. Trump says he does not think any Department of Homeland Security funding deal should be made until Democrats approve the Save America Act. Nothing really with the war. All right, coming in about 3 minutes, we're going to see how the Tokyo Open hits. Zill, I'm doing good, man. Lady Darb and I drove back from North Texas today. We had a great visit with my daughter and son-in-law and my grandson. Got to hang out with them for the last 4 days. It was awesome. Always good. Anytime you can get around your grandkids, man, it's a wonderful time. For those who weren't here at the beginning of the stream, I did secure a payout with My Funded Futures. Took that over the weekend, and My Funded Futures is great, by the way, on their payouts. If you've never gotten a payout from My Funded Futures, it took about 15 minutes to hit my bank account from the time I requested it, approved, and in my bank account. So picked up a band from My Funded Futures this weekend, so that was nice. And I did that because I needed to see that. Since I started streaming, and I've been very open with you guys about the whole streaming process and just watching and being on here every single night, my trading definitely suffered in this last month. And I'm not going to blame it on the environment. I mean, the trading environment is the trading environment. We all have to trade in this environment. There's plenty of people that are doing really great in this environment, and there's plenty of people that aren't. People that I follow that I would consider to be very good traders have really struggled. And there's also people that I don't necessarily follow, but I keep up with that have had great success in this environment. For me personally, I don't know how much of it is environment related and how much of it is also just the mental game of wrapping my head around trading and keeping my trading edge and performance at a high level. And I think that had more to do with it necessarily than the specific trading environment. And so once I kind of locked in that payment, I was like, I'm taking that payout. I know I could trade this account higher and build a bigger buffer, but mentally I needed to see that payout. I needed to have that hit my account, and be like, yeah, like I've seen this before. I've been here before. This isn't new. You know how to do this. Let's just keep going and doing. Let's stack them up now. So that's why I took the payout this weekend on that account. Little one is great, dude. He's doing so good. He was 6 months old while we were there. He had his half-year birthday while we were there with him, and he's killing it. He's killing it. He's teething. He's got two little. He was kind of fussy because his teeth are trying to break through. His first two little bottom teeth are trying to break through, and so that wasn't great for him, but. I mean, it was still good just to hang out with him and hold him and make him laugh and giggle and play and take him on walks. It was awesome. What's up, Dave Mac? Welcome in, buddy. King of Big Mac says you don't look that old. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you, man. I don't feel that old either, but I am. Really says, how often can you withdraw with Take Profit Trader? I believe they have daily withdrawal with TPT. Once you're funded and you have built, you have to get past the buffer, which is whatever your drawdown limit is. You have to have at least that amount of profit, and then anything over that profit, I believe you can take daily payouts on. Yeah, I'm liquidity. You're right. Yeah, it is a confidence booster. Like it's just a reminder to myself that like stop, like just do you, just trade. You know how to do this, and it's gonna be fine. Trust your edge, trade your edge. Statistically speaking, you know exactly. Like my accuracy has been really, really good recently. It doesn't show tonight, and tonight I was short biased, but I took two longs. Go figure. Guys, tomorrow is going to be an incredible day. We are releasing the new prop scoring website to all of the Rocket Scooter community in Discord. So if you're a Rocket Scooter subscriber, either with the boot camp or with the Rocket Scooter platform, you're going to have access to the brand new prop scoring website. We're going to let you guys all have the beta test of that. They have been hammering behind the scenes to get this ready, inputting tons of data, inputting all the rules and all of the numbers so that the algorithm and the scores can be accurate for you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be awesome. And I think Matt, if you follow Matt on X, he actually put out a post on X. Let me go pull it up. He actually put out a post and said, where was it? Oh, maybe he didn't. Where did it go? I thought maybe he took it down already. Yeah, at Traders Paradise on X. But I thought he put out a post that said, if you want to be, he was offering 1,000 people. Maybe he took it down. Maybe 1,000 people had already used it. Oh no, here it is, here it is, here it is. Okay. Here you go. Oh, dang it. Of course it would do this stupid thing to me. Sign up for the open beta of the world's first prop scoring auditing firm now. You go to his post at Trader's Paradise. You can find this post. First 1,000 will get early access, so there's still plenty of room. You're going to respond with the word score. You're going to tag 2 people, and the first 1,000 will get early access to the open beta of the first prop scoring auditing firm. And you don't just tag me and Neon. Everyone was tagging me and Neon. Don't tag me and Neon. Don't tag your friends. Tag your friends, like these people. Look, they're doing it right. Don't tag me and Neon. Like they're doing it right. Oh, look, here's another one. Don't tag me and Neon. Tag your friends, and you can get access to the first prop scoring auditing firm now. But go on X. Go on X, and you can do that. You can sign up for it. I've taken 2 trades today on 2 different accounts and took losses on both of them. You don't have friends? Oh, come on. You have friends. I know you do. Some people don't have friends. Guys, we're up to 271 likes. If you would please smash that like button. As soon as we get to 300 likes, we'll be doing a giveaway for a Lucid Flex account. Let me see if we had any information about... No, nothing yet. Nothing yet. You know they're gonna pump this? I don't know that they're gonna pump this. Tokyo has opened and we popped and dropped. I say popped. We have a little push and then right back down to DD band. Michael says, Brad, I love you guys and your channel. Thanks to Rocket Scooter Teaching. I'm going on my 4th month being profitable in row. I was never profitable before finding you guys. Just wanted to say thank you so much. Michael Langford, appreciate that comment, man. Appreciate you being here. Glad to hear things are, you've got some edge now and things are working out for you. I think you are not alone in your experience of how Rocket Scooter has changed. It did the same thing for me, man. It did the same thing for me. At least 1 killed in an airstrike on radio station in around Gulfport of Bandar Abbas. War's still going on. You just passed 2 evals. 5-minute continuation short. There you go, buddy. Good. Man, I just don't know how to play this range right here. Other than shorting pops, I just don't know. It's going to be a volatile week. We have Trump gave out a ultimatum to Iran. If you didn't hear, and you're just kind of finding out and tuning in and wondering why we had this big gap down. Yesterday, Trump gave out an ultimatum to Iran, and he said you have 48 hours to open the Strait of Hormuz and let oil tankers start flowing again, or we're going to bomb every power plant and all of your energy infrastructure in your country. We're going to turn the lights out. We can turn all the lights out, he said, in like 5 minutes. It's nothing to laugh about, but it's just the way he says it that is kind of humorous. He's so braggadocious and like hyperbolic in the way the hyperbole he uses. So the market is like, oh, and by the way, they're sending more Marines over at the same time. So we're 24 hours into his ultimatum. This week is going to be real volatile. If they do start bombing energy infrastructure, power plants, electricity, water, this is not going to be good. Yeah, tis bad. The DD bands on Rocket Scooter platform, they're on the NQ, ES, Russell, all that Dow. It's messed up right now. They're having a technical issue over on the Rocket Scooter platform with the DD bands and risk intervals on these instruments. They're available on everything else. It's all working fine, but on these specific ones, they're not working. And I'm sure someone behind the scenes right now is getting blown up. That was a poor choice of words considering the war going on. Yeah, hopefully. So I don't know if the risk interval has changed. I used Friday's risk interval, which was 253 for NASDAQ and 6650 for ES. And I just calculated it myself right before the stream. So these numbers are based off of Friday's risk interval. Again, I don't know if those have changed at all, but that's all I had to go on. And so that's what I put up on the charts right here. The DD bands that I have are based off the market close at 5 p.m., the risk interval from Friday. We opened below those DD bands if they are in fact accurate. Does appear to be, because we popped through, used it as support here, and we've used it as support again here. So we'll see. It'll get sorted out. Those guys will get it sorted out here soon. 289 likes. Let's go, guys. 289 likes. We are 11 likes away from doing our second account giveaway. Our second account giveaway is going to be a Lucid 25K Flex account. These are the accounts that you guys see me trading on the Asia session here with you guys every single night. The question is do we short MHP again? Short half gap off of NQ, or is this going to be the pump that tries to make a run? Get ready for your short. I know. Get ready for the short. It's like, do I take it on MHP or do I take it at half gap on NQ? If I want to take it, I don't know that I want to. DD band gave a nice bounce there. Volume coming in at DD band on that pump. That's the most volume we've had at the Tokyo Open there. Does MHP hold again? We break right through and I'm gonna get squeezed. I know. That's I don't know. I'm fighting this, like, don't do it. Like, and it's because I made this trade right here was not a bad trade. The first one I took, it was we aggressively closed through MHP. I took the bounce and I closed it out for a small loss. The second one, I tried to buy after I had said I wanted to short, and I just talked myself into a horrible decision. The NQ trade was a VWAP test Didn't get it. It failed. Now here we are. Nothing but green volume since the Tokyo Open. Couldn't get up to MHP there. 306. 306 likes, guys. Way to go, guys. Nice. Very nice.
That shit of green on the screen.
All right.
DM's blowing up. Teach me, King, drop the pen. Envy in their eyes like I hacked the code overnight.
It was overnight.
The truth.
Tonight it's overnight. All right, let me get my tool set up here. We need a new keyword. We need a new keyword. What's your keyword? I need to reset this.
First cracked open, this ain't luck. This is blood on the toe.
Can you trade live on AMP Futures? Yeah, you can trade live. Why wouldn't you be able to trade live on AMP Futures? All right, we'll do, let's do overnight. Overnight is the keyword. Overnight. One word, all caps. Type it in the chat. Type it in the chat overnight if you want to be in the drawing. If you want to be in the drawing for a Lucid 25K Flex account, type overnight in the chat. We're giving it away right now. You guys are killing it in there. 300 likes. I love it. These Lucid K, I'll tell you a little bit about these Lucid 25K Flex accounts. 50% consistency on the evaluation side. You can pass in 2 days. Once you're funded, there is no consistency. There is no buffer. You do have to have 5 minimum days of $100 profit. 5 minimum days of $100 profit. You can request 50% of your overall profits. 90-10 split. And they pay out within minutes once approved. So it has become one of the most popular firms in the rocket scooter community for a lot of good reasons. Price. These are, if you use code Rocket Scooter, you can get these 25K Flex accounts for $70. If you fail the evaluation, you can reset it for $60. I think these are some of the cheapest accounts. Now, on the funded side, you can request 50% of your total profit from this account once you're funded, up to $1,000. So it is capped at $1,000. But when you talk about a $70 pay-in, a $70 buy-in for this eval, getting $1,000 potential payout, and you can get, I think 6 of those. After your 6th payout, they move you to live, and you can have 5 of these accounts going at the same time. So, I mean, the ROI on this is fantastic. Great accounts, great firm, really nothing to complain about there at all. So type in the word overnight. Type in overnight. I will give you another 30 seconds. I'll give you another 30 seconds, y'all. Let's go.
Years of wipeouts, accounts blown to dust, strategies crumbling, no one
Gold is just dumping, man. Gold dumping. Silver not dumping quite as hard, but almost back down to its open. Didn't quite get to MHP here on ES. Sold off a little bit. Any news on this is going to tank this market. All right, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all can stop typing. Y'all can stop typing. Get rid of all the names here. I'm gonna grab all of the names. All right. 205 names. Well, 204 because we're taking out that one. All right, guys, we're going to spin the wheel for a fun to next 25K Lucid Alexa account. Shuffling it up. If you win, hang around. I'll give you instructions on how to claim your prize. Spinning it now. Let's go. Good luck. Mitch Hart. Type something in chat, Mitch. Let me know you're here. Got you. He's here. All right, Mitch, you're gonna go into the description of this video. You're gonna find the link to our Discord. Go into Discord and find the contest channel. There's the pump through half gap, and MHP is just about to get popped through. Oh, sorry, Mitch. Go into the contest channel. You're gonna message our admin named Slacks. You'll find him in the contest channel. Just right click on his name, send him a message, let him know you won the Lucid account on Brad's stream. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID. You're probably gonna need to have an email already set up with Lucid. And then Slacks will hook you up on how to claim your prize. So congratulations. Let us know how it works out for you, man. Let us know how it works out for you. Man, I hate this. I hate shorting MHP. I hate shorting MHP. I'm Mitch, prove me wrong. Well, your name says Michaelia. All right, guys, if we get to 400 likes, I will donate a boot camp to the stream, and Matt will match it ×3. We'll give away 4 boot camps. 4 boot camps to the Rocket Scooter education. In my opinion, some of the best trading education you're going to get on the planet. So many people have taken it, experienced it, and seen what it's all about. It's $20. Matt's going to be doing a live boot camp in April. I heard him say on Friday it would be in April. He's going to start one up. All of the videos are recorded from the last boot camp, so you can go in right now and purchase that and start watching them immediately, or you can wait until the live kicks off in April. But either way, let me just I want to read, where are the reviews for the boot camp? How do you find the reviews? Anybody know? Oh, here we go, where it says reviews. Game changer. Rocket Scooter is the best thing to have ever happened to my trading. Honestly, was lost without it. Being able to predict institutional volume is huge. It really narrows down where the best pivots are. Gets me ahead of the market, especially when it comes to planning my trades. Amazing platform that's growing. Great guy, great community. Can't say enough for Matt. You don't get the kind of personal experience. Excellent. Worth every penny. Completely different than anything you've seen out there. Specific actionable levels based on real data. Different than anything you've ever seen before. Actionable levels based on real data. Oh, that was the same guy. Matt really takes his time to explain things through live Q&A. You'll never see the market the same. I mean, there are tons of reviews. You guys can go read them yourselves. Like, these are just user reviews that have taken the course that have left reviews. These are not paid. These are actual live people that have left reviews after taking the boot camp. And if you've been in the stream long enough, you know that a lot of those people come into this community, into this stream, and donate boot camps to complete strangers all the time. It happens all the time. Almost every stream, someone will come in and donate. You can watch the boot camp now, yeah, like Mark Frank was saying, and then you can go to the live later if you want. So I'm not short yet, Lucas. I want to see if NQ can hold above half gap here. There's something inside of me that just says don't short MHP. So I'm just gonna sit right now and not do anything. But anyway, if we get to 400 likes, 50 more likes, guys, keep the 400 streak going. 50 more likes, smash that like button. I will donate one boot camp to the stream. Matt will match it ×3, and we'll give away 4 boot camps tonight. Maybe more. I haven't seen Drops Homestead in here tonight. Where's Drops at? Man, I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hungry. I need some din. Don't short because Iran have 12 hours deal is for sure done. Yeah. Where'd you hear that? Hungry for a big arch? I am hungry for a burger. I think Lady Darb said, she texted me and said that they're making burgers. So it's not going to be the big arch. It's going to be the big Darb. It's going to be the big Darb. Hopefully on her way with the food right now. Mike. Oh, Mike, did you I haven't checked. Did you put the song in? Drops girl's like 20 years younger than him. He was probably up on. You're right, he was. He's probably in recovery at the moment. Did you put the song in? Oh, you did. Wick, tickler, Darb. All right, we gotta listen. We gotta listen to Mike Hawksmall. Mike Hawksmall wrote a song called Wick, Tickler, Darb. Put it in our. This is. Oh yeah, baby. Here we go. Hold on. I'm gonna start it over. I gotta turn it up. Hold on. We're going to start it over. I love it already.
Waiting all day for a little bit of action. You should see my P&L, yeah, I'm really packing. Big things coming, and so am I. Hitting Q with the tickle coulda hit you in the eye. What's that, Sir Darb? Son, that's a Wick tickle. Big dogs barking, yeah, word to pickle. Watched as the stock began to wick into my fill. Made a lot of money, man, that's a big bill. Yeah, wick tickle, hit it at the low, let it wiggle just a little, yeah. Wick tickle, bag so stupid, pickle on trickle. What's that, Sir Darb? I call that the Wick tickle. Caught the very bottom, now my pickle likes to trickle. Who is that? Is that the knife catchers anonymous? Nah, Wick tickle or Darb. P&L like a rhinoceros. Hey, nice wick there. It could drop a little lower, like right there. Wow, just tickled that wick, caught 40 points fast. Man, that was sick.
Good job, Mike. I knew I could count on you, buddy. I knew I could count on you, buddy. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's so good. My pickle likes to trickle. Hari Krishna Desari says, wow, enjoying your stream very much. Love from India. Thanks for watching, man. Appreciate you. Smash that like button for us on the way in. Welcome to the stream, y'all. My name is Brad. I'm the host of The Night Shift. This is one of 3 shows that happen on this channel every single day. Matt, the founder of this channel, Matt is the founder of this channel and the inventor of the Rocket Scooter platform. He streams every morning in the New York session. Neon, our good friend Neon, streams from 1:30 until the market close every single day. And then, of course, I'm here Sunday night through Thursday night when the market is open, 7 Eastern to 10 o'clock Eastern. So glad you guys are with us. Smash that like button. We do giveaways every single show. We've already given away 2 prop accounts tonight. If we get to 400 likes, I'm going to give away 4 boot camps to the Rocket Scooter platform. Some of the best education you're going to get. It is, I wish I would have had this 5 years ago. It is a fast track to edge. Oh man, I got some in my eye. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna pass away if I don't eat. If Lady Darb doesn't bring me some food, man, that short off of MHP, dadgummit. Anybody short MHP for a 3rd time tonight? Gold shorts, way to go. Serenity Pot, welcome in, first time here. Thanks for watching, appreciate you. Smash that like button for us.
Flash in the dark, yeah, it rewrites a scene, splitting up the
I just got a message from Slacks. Actually, it was a little while ago. Slacks has been up for 22 hours. Slacks has been up for 22 hours inputting all of the data into the prop scoring website to get everybody to get this website ready for launch tomorrow to the Rocket Scooter community. So if he doesn't answer if you won and he doesn't answer your message in Discord, Give the man a break. Cut slacks some slack. The dude needs to catch some sleep, man. He will get your accounts hooked up to you, but if he doesn't do it tonight, it may be in the morning because he'll pass away. Back to VWAP. Dude, anybody short this for the third time tonight? This is the kind of frustrating stuff that I used to deal with like 2 years ago, and I don't know why I'm dealing with it right now. It's so dumb. Oh, sweet. Food's on its way. Thank the Lord. I know, Lucas, you were right. Lucas, did you take that short? Did you short MHP? After making one dumb decision, it messed with my head. What I wanted to happen happened, and I didn't take it. Couldn't pull the trigger. Yeah, it's like when you've seen it gap down this far, there's part of your brain is like, this has to go back up. You can't just gap down, you know, almost 70 points on ES and 300 points on NQ and just, you know, it's gonna want to fill the gap. It's gonna want to go up. Half gap is held. DD band is held. Oil has got a huge gap up and is right back down at Friday's close, trading at Friday's close price right now. ES and NQ are just locked tight. Quite the waterfall here. So do we take the DD band and just play the range here and expect to bounce, or does this thing just crap the bed for the rest of the night? Slacks. Sleep. Yeah, it's where you lay down and close your eyes and you turn the lights out. It's really good for you. Sleep is a really good thing for you, buddy. Use the force. I know I need to use the force. I need to use a punch to the face to tell me, like, just follow your plan. All right, what do we think? Is this thing gonna crap the bed? Or is DD band gonna hold? In this environment, what do we think is gonna happen? Slacks is definitely not an AI agent. Man. Here's the daily gold chart. What a drop. What a drop. Blood in the streets, they panicking. I'm just sipping match, doing my little dance again. Wicks to the downside, Vixen deck spike. The floor has completely fallen out. Your next stop is the low here on gold. The low at, what is that? 43.15. Oof. DD band buy. A DD band buy? Do we try a DD band buy? I'm gonna try a DD band buy. Play the range. Haters in the live chat say touch grass king. I'm planting money trees while the bulls on sings. Feed a D season, more like cuddle season. I hug the chart when it's bleeding. Do do do. This may get a little overshoot on NQ because the DD band here at ES has still got a little ways to go. Oil, slight little bit up, but not crazy. Seems legit. Ryan, yeah. Just listen to the song. Drops Trades, welcome in. Let's see if DD band holds. Do 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 do. Oof. Oof. So your biggest 40 points of overshoot here would basically be back down at the open. What a sell-off off of that. You know what we need? Come on, Whoosh fan. Come on, Whoosh fan. The song's on. The fan's on the charts. Let's go, Whoosh fan. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, baby, we got food. Yeah. Thank you. Oh my gosh. All the tinfoil. Y'all want to say hi? Y'all can come say hi if you want. Come say hi on the stream. You gotta get over here.
Oh, okay. Get over here.
Yeah. You can see. See.
Hey, if she made this, if it's bad. If it's good, then that's me.
All right.
Alright, see you.
Thank y'all. Have a good night. Look at him throwing her under the bus. My gosh. What a boyfriend. I need a... After this, I need to play, where is, Oh, I don't have Market Please Don't Die. I need to go download Market Please Don't Die today. Come on, Whoosh fan. No, that was that's Piggy's boyfriend. That was Piggy's boyfriend. I need to make a tinfoil hat out of my aluminum foil. Come on, Whoosh fam. I don't like this. There he is. There he is. Our first boot camp donation. I told you it happens almost every single night. Let's go, Whoosh fan. Let's go, Whoosh fan.
Stepped in the market with a rhythm tight. Used to chase every candle, couldn't get it right. Then Scooter rolled in with a cosmic glide. Now I dance through
Thank you, Drops.
the smooth new stride.
Drops trades. Do you have two accounts? Because isn't it, or do you just change the name? Because don't you have one that's Drops Homestead? Drops dropping in a boot camp donation. Thank you for doing that, my friend. You're a real one. 6, one is a conspiracy channel. Come on, pump.
I used to tilt when the trend got me. Now I glide like velvet through
I'm gonna let it ride a little bit.
steady like a disco beat. Tell me exactly where the price might meet. Wrist look tiny and she's feeling fine. Dancing with the market on the headlock line. Mac drops wisdom like a DJ spin. When Scooter calls the lever, man, that's when we win. No more guessing, no more fear. Scooter got the groove we need to hear. Turn it up, let the signals fly.
I gotta eat, y'all. Sorry.
With a rocket vibe. Do the rocket scooter boogie. Sliding with the market flow. Do the rocket scooter boogie. Let the whole damn room now know.
What's up, Matt?
Do the rocket scooter boogie. Moving with a smart trick.
Hey, Matt.
Do the rocket scooter boogie.
Go charting.
Shake it right with the
Can we use that this week?
scooter in the pocket with that rhythm divine. Trend, do the hustle on the headlock line. Boogie with the levels, don't fight the zone. Scooter got the math.
Whoosh fan, don't fail me now, baby.
Smooth and free. This is how the market's meant to be.
Eva Trades.
Do the rocket scooter boogie. Sliding with the market flow.
Boot camp donation number 2 in the bank, y'all. Let's go. That's 8 boot camps plus my 4 if we get to 400. That's 12 boot camps. Rocket Scooter says, I have a meeting with them tomorrow. I'll let you know. Cool, cool. Matt, did you trade this gap? Did you trade this gap down?
Rocket scooter boogie. Hey! Rocket scooter boogie. Rocket scooter boogie.
Bought at the open, 11K. Baller.
Rocket scooter boogie.
Thank you, Eva. Thank you, Eva, for the boot camp donation. Really appreciate you. Dan says I always take partial profits in this market. Yeah, you're very wise, Dan.
Got around. Matt just pulled up. And you already know what he's driving.
He hit 100 ticks clean, didn't sweat, didn't flinch. P&L so fat, it can't fit in an inch. Scooter charts hitting tight like a Spartan.
My daughter and her boyfriend made burgers.
Hedge pressure
They're really good.
made the candles go vertical. Chat going wild, every bar controversial. Matt so funded, he don't need no more.
Let's get one more tick up here.
From a single bar's wide. Show me that ass. Tom Martin, let the whole squad see where the games be start. Show me that ass. Tom Martin, all gas, no brakes, P&L never part. Show me that ass. Tom Martin, Scooter got him flying like the jets, he's charged. Show me that ass. Tom Martin, if you ain't trading green, why you even log?
He break out the zone like the flow ain't real. One tap to the box, then he close that deal. They range tight bands, rap like a harness. One push in the tray, hit the moon's red carpet. Well, start sweating when they see his bracket. They know I'm popping, Matt's gon' snatch it. He don't chase price, chase, I'm starving. Whole street froze when he parked that mall.
Lackwinder, we're gonna, when we get to 400 likes, we'll do our next giveaway. 400 likes, we do our next giveaway.
Tom Martin, let the whole squad see where the games be start. Show me that
I need my whoosh fan to work. We've had 2 boot camp donations. Matt matches those times 3. So that's 8 boot camps from the community alone. And then if we get to 400 likes, I will also donate a boot camp, and that'll be 4 more. That'll be 4 more boot camps. But we've got get to 400 likes. Thank you for the burger, Lady Darb and Piggy and Piggy's boyfriend. Give me 1 pump candle. Give me 1 blue candle. Come on, give me 1 just 1 big volume blue candle here. That's all I want. For those asking about what a boot camp is, the boot camp is the 20-day education that teaches you not only just how to trade in general, but also how to use the Rocket Scooter platform. I'm going to go ahead and take that right there. We got back half of our loss. I'm happy with that. If it taps DD band again, maybe we'll get one more time. So the boot camp, it covers everything from position sizing to trading ideas, trading strategies, but it goes in depth on how to trade the Rocket Scooter platform, how to use these high volume actionable pivots that we forecast before the market opens. We know where the DD bands are, which are risk intervals based off of the CME margin requirements. We know where our monthly hedge pressure and weekly hedge pressure are tonight. They're on top of each other. On ES, they're spread out. We have MHP monthly hedge pressure sitting right here. And we have hedge pressure, weekly hedge pressure sitting way up there. And then we have upper DD bands as well. On top of that, during the New York session, we also have our resilience indicators. We have liquidity maps. We don't have a liquidity map because there's no data, but we have resilience for MHP, resilience for HP. We have gap fills. We have liquidity zones, bull zone, bear zones. All of this information is printed before the session begins, or right at the beginning of the session for the New York session. For the overnight session, we have all of this information before the session begins. And these are high volume actionable pivots. You can see we had MHP printed on the chart before the market opened, before it even gapped down. We had MHP on the chart, and we knew exactly where, if price were to hit it, it would act as support and resistance, because this is where dealers are entering the market to hedge open positions. So the boot camp teaches you all about that, how to trade the platform, but also just generally some of the best trading education that you're going to get in general, beyond even just the Rocket Scooter platform stuff. It is exactly what I was a break-even trader for the last probably year and a half. I would, every dollar that I would put into prop firm evals, I basically would get that dollar back. Not really super profit. I might get a little head, might get a little under, basically break even. Last April, I stumbled on the Matt's channel on YouTube, started watching, just lurking in the background for a few months. After a few months of watching his stream every single morning and watching these pivots play out to the tick a lot of the times, watching how he trades it, I was like, okay, I'm gonna go check out the boot camp. Took the boot camp in like June, I think, June or July. It was like so many switches started getting flipped. Things just started making sense. And from August all the way through the end of the year, the most profitable trading I've ever had since then. And carried it into the new year. It's a fantastic education. It's $20. It's $1 a day. Matt teaches a live boot camp. He's going to start another live boot camp in April. All of the videos are already recorded. You can go in and start watching them right now. You do not have to wait for the live boot camp. Live boot camp is great for those that would prefer a live experience. Matt can you basically watch the videos and then he stops, does Q&As, explains a little bit some things in more detail. But dude, people, every single stream, people donate boot camps to complete strangers because of the value that it brings to a trader who might be struggling or just maybe not quite profitable or break even. And this could be the thing that could take you over the edge. It has for a lot of people. It has been that thing that has helped them get over the edge. So we're gonna give away at least 8. We've had 2 people from the community, Eva and Drops, have donated a boot camp. So that's going to be 8 boot camps total. And then if we get 3 more likes, I'll add 4 more to it, and we'll do 12 boot camp giveaways. We're at $3.99. Looks like we're going to get there. If you would, please smash that like button for me, guys. I would appreciate it. Kev! See y'all? This is what happens. It just starts and then you get this donation train going. That's now 12 boot camps from the community. We're at 408, so I'll match it with 4 more. That's 16 boot camps to give away tonight. Unfreaking believable. You guys are the best. Pretty soon there's not going to be very many people in the night shift to give a boot camp away to, because y'all have given away so many boot camps to these people. I'm glad I took my profits there. ES just reaching DD band here. All right, so let's we're gonna use ChatGPT. We're not gonna spin the wheel 16 times. If you would like to be considered for the boot camp, type in Rocket Scooter, all caps, one word. Rocket Scooter. Type it in the chat right now. If you would like to be in the drawing to win one of the 16 boot camps that we're going to give away, type in Rocket Scooter into the chat right now. I wonder if my bot can pick up emojis or if it has to be text. Probably text. Words or hashtags. Okay. No emojis. Type in Rocket Scooter. We're giving away 16 Rocket Scooter boot camps tonight. Thank you for the community. Kevin, Drops, Eva, each donating a boot camp. And then I'm matching it because we got to 400 likes. So thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Thanks for hanging out here in the night shift with me. Every single night the market is open. We have an incredible time here. We really do. Little red tonight, but we're clawing it back. We're clawing it back. Took the first payout from the night shift on Friday from My Fun and Futures. Took $1,000 payout from them. Getting back up on the horse this week. Crazy volatility this week. There's a lot of the deadline for Iran to open the Strait of Hormuz is about 24 hours away. Trump has said if they do not open the Strait of Hormuz, that they are going to take out and bomb all of Iran's energy production and water production. So we're about 24 hours away from that madness. We're gonna see who blinks first. Lucas, thanks for being here, man. Have a great night, buddy. Appreciate you. All All right, you've got 44 seconds to type in boot camp. To type in rocket scooter. Rocket scooter is the keyword. We're giving away 16 rocket scooter boot camps tonight, courtesy of the community in which you find yourself on this stream right now. You have to come back tomorrow, Lucas, for the tuck-in. It's all right, man. You can't hit them all. All right, the hour's about to roll over here. That last hour was a very bearish trading hour. New trading hour in. Is gold still dropping? Yeah, pretty much. Wow. Silver dropping, gold dropping. Man, this right here, go back and watch the stream. That's exactly where I wanted to get in. And I did not pull the trigger on it because I had already made 2 stupid trading decisions earlier in the night. I had framed this trade, described this trade, wanted to take this trade, did not take that trade. And you can't do anything about it now. All right, guys, let me get ChatGPT up here. We'll get ChatGPT up. We're gonna give away. You can stop typing. I'm grabbing all the users right now. I'm copying them in. There's all the users. We can take out Rocket Scooter AI. We don't need that one. Please select 16 random names from the list below to win a Rocket Scooter Bootcamp. And give me an awesome script to read out the names. All right. We got all the names. There they are. 16 of you are gonna win a boot camp, and we're gonna find out who they are right now. All right, night shift. Tighten up the straps, fuel the engines, and check your P&L because we're about to launch something serious. We had a stacked list. I'm talking traders from every corner of the map. Grinding charts, dodging drawdown, chasing that consistency. And tonight, 16 of you are getting the golden ticket. Not luck, not vibes, just straight randomized destiny. So here we go. Your Rocket Scooter Bootcamp winners are Scalp Day Trader, Crocodile Hunter, Steph Fielding, Treeable Milk, Success with Mike Thompson, Jamney Guzman, Hero Villain HQ, YOLO Though, Eric W8642, BF4433, Gospel Clarity, Max W, Flashback, Josh Pat, Vivi5714, and Trooper Beard. Let's go! If you heard your name, you didn't just win a boot camp, you just got handed a blueprint to level up your trading life. Important. This is how you claim your spot. You're going to head into the Discord right now. You can find the link in the description of this video. You're going to find our MVP VIP Slacks in the contest channel. You're going to send him a message with a screenshot of your YouTube ID. Let him know you're a bootcamp winner, and we'll get you locked in. To everyone else, listen closely. This isn't the end. This is just another candle in the session. Your setup is coming, and your moment is loading. Stay in the game, stay in the plan, because around here, we don't trace trades. We build traders. All right, there you go. There's your 16 boot camp winners for the night. Congratulations. Head into the Discord channel. You can find the link in the description below. Message Slacks, let him know. You can find him in the contest channel. Let him know that you are a boot camp winner and he'll hook you up. Congratulations. Congratulations, congratulations. What do we do? Steph, did you hear my directions? I just want to make sure. You want an Easter egg? Rockets Cooter. You know it. DD band bounce off of ES. DD band getting reclaimed on NQ. Man, I don't know. I don't know if I want to try to gold trying to make a little push here. Do we take one more stab off a DD band, or does DD band reject here? Why am I using my pad? I need to have a mouse. There we go. Reroll one more. I'm donating back. Okay, cool. Let me get ChatGPT back up here. We had one of the winners want to reroll. They're donating it back to the community. Who was it? It was right here. All right, is that the right one? Yeah. Please choose a new winner. Shout out to BF4433. That's next level right there, passing the torch. Son of Wall Street. Son of Wall Street. Let's go. You're the new winner. Son of Wall Street, you're the new winner. Hopefully he's still here. Take a screenshot of that. Send that to our sleepy boy Slacks. All right, let me get back to my charts. And that DD band bounce. Oof. I got it. Cool. Thank you, Slacks. Dude, you're fast. You should be in bed. Go to sleep, dude. You got a big day tomorrow. Beta launch and all. I don't know why you're still awake right now. You're just waiting for the tuck in, aren't you? Guys, we're into our last hour. We got 1 hour to go. I can't believe we've already given away. We've given away 16 boot camps. We've given away a Lucid Flex account. We've given away a funded next 25K rapid account. We still have an hour to go. We're on our way to 500 likes again for the second time. Potentially the second time. Kevin's donating a pillow to Slacks. Beta boys need a good tuck in. Oh my God, I love this community. This stream is amazing. Chat is amazing in this stream. Woof. Nice pump. Sleep is for losers. Farina, you would know. What is it, like 2 o'clock in the morning over there right now? You need to get to sleep too. You don't want to stay up 52 more minutes and get tucked in? I know you want to, but you need to get your beauty rest. It's okay. Man, what a nice DD band bounce right there. About 35 points. Man, I cannot believe I didn't take that MHP sell. You were doing important work stuff? Yeah. Thank you for getting all that work done, Farina, so that we can all enjoy the website tomorrow. You're awesome. I don't know why it's playing this song. This is not my song. Do we take one more DD bounce? Take the undershoot. I'll take the undershoot here. I can add to it at DD band, put a stop down below there. Maybe we can claw this back a little bit. We'll see. Nakia went down 4%. Son of Wall Street, did you see that you won, by the way? I don't know when it's coming out, by the way. I don't know if Matt's going to wait to do it on his stream or if it's just going to show up somewhere in the morning, you know? I'm not exactly sure how they're going to do the website launch for the community. So just have to keep your eyes peeled on Discord or be there for Matt's stream in the morning to find out what's going to happen there. Have you heard of the prop from the futures desk? If so, what do you think of it? Yeah, we do giveaways from the futures desk all the time. We do $200 credits to the futures desk. We do those giveaways every week. I know I did a couple of them last week on this stream. They're a great firm. I know a lot of our people have used them and used those credits and like them. I've never traded with the futures desk, so I have no like personal experience with it. But from what I've heard has been very positive. Users from this community that have used them have had positive experience with them. Futures Desk is cool because you can customize your own plan. Like you can go in and build. You can take. They have like a basic framework for a plan, like a static account or end of day drawdown, daily loss limit, contract amounts, maximums. You know. All that kind of stuff. And so days to pass, all of those things, they have all of that. The nice thing is that they also, on every plan, they have a customized button that you can go in and you can change the parameters to suit your trading needs or what you would like the account to look like. And the price will go up or down based on what you choose and how you move those variables around. So, you know, it's kind of cool. Like you can design your own eval, basically, your own challenge. Kevin says their support is fantastic. So there you go. Yeah, Slacks is fast, man. Dude hasn't slept like 2 hours in the last 48 hours. And he's still on the stream. He's still in Discord, taking care of everything for you guys. I'm telling you, when I tell you he's the MVP, I ain't lying. I ain't lying. All right, I'm gonna kill that right there. Another little scalp. We almost clawed this one back to break even now. Almost back to break even. I'm sure Matt takes care of slacks. Matt is a very generous employer. Dude, I gotta think of what else. If we get to 500 likes, what do we do? What do we do if we get to 500 likes? We've only gotten to 500 likes one other time on the stream. And right now we're at 438 and there's still 430 people watching the stream right now. And I feel like, yeah, man, 500 likes is a big deal. We're growing. The stream is growing. We're getting bigger every week. We're getting bigger every night. I don't know. Lucas, you're still here. I thought you had to leave, man. A futures desk credit, says Jay Woods. I gotta ask my boss. I gotta ask my boss because we only have so many accounts. We gotta spread them out between all three shows. I don't know if we're gonna have enough. I don't know if we would have enough. We'll have to. I'll let our MVP Slacks decide if there's an extra. Should we get to 500? If there's something nice we can do for the stream, we'll see. But we got to get to 500 or it doesn't even, like, it's not even worth a conversation. Chick-fil-A for everyone in the stream. It's Sunday night. They're not open, bro. Chick-fil-A isn't open on Sunday night. Man, I could have held that for a little bit more, but that's fine. I'm happy with clawing back, basically getting my account back to break even, so. $466. We're getting close. We're getting close to 500 likes. We're getting close to 500 likes. So it's gonna be. We still have 45 minutes. I feel like we should be able to get 34 more likes in the next 45 minutes. I feel like we should be able to do that. Gift cards? Yeah, maybe. I don't know that. That's a lot. 400. There's 408 people watching. I don't know how we would get you all 408 gift cards. That's quite a lot. We'll see what happens. If we get to 500, you never know. Maybe we can do some more boot camp giveaways for sure. We can for sure. I know I can donate another boot camp and we can do 4 more boot camps. I know I can do that. I don't know about a prop firm account though. We'll see. I don't know how many we have left. We still have all of this week to get through, and we still have Monday and Tuesday of next week to get through. So we got to make sure we have enough. Yeah, riddle diddle winner. We can for sure do a rocket scoot. I know if we get to 500, I can do 4 more boot camps for sure. Gabe says, just give us a shared gift card and everyone has to promise to only spend their allowed amount. Yeah. ES back above VWAP here. Getting a little VWAP retest. Are we going to go back up to the range on MHP? Do I chase back to the top of the range here from the middle? Probably not a great idea. I'm going to hold off. But if we get to MHP at 4th time, I don't know if I want to short it 4th time. That was the short I wanted, and I didn't pull the freaking trigger, man. This short right here is what I wanted to take, and I didn't pull the trigger. So frustrated at myself over that. We're gonna have to bump the likes another 10%. Yeah, we're getting so many people watching. We're getting so many new people watching. Maybe we should start increasing the likes. I don't know. Well, I need to see like a full week. I need to see like a full week of these numbers before I would feel comfortable doing that. Sunday nights have been our biggest nights, I think, because a lot of people don't stream on Sunday nights. The competition's a little thinner, so to speak. But I'll take it. Ain't complaining, man. Love having you guys in here with us every Sunday night. Love it.
In the dark before it grew.
487. Oh my gosh. We're going to get there again. We're going to get to 500 again. Let's go. 13 more thumbs ups. And we're going to get to 500 likes. That's freaking awesome, y'all. Like, I know that you're like, what's the big deal? Like, why are you getting so excited? Well, we've only been streaming for about a month in this time segment. A month ago, this show didn't exist. This time segment didn't exist on YouTube. And in just under a month, we're averaging over 4,000 views a night. We're getting to 400 likes and 500 likes now, which just says that people like the stream. People are enjoying what they're participating in. The chat's awesome. Having a good looking host doesn't hurt as well. Coach Greg says, I like Sunday nights, kicks off a new week. Yep. Yeah, I need to put in my new banner. I have it, and every night I have it, and I just forget to do it. We want more, Brad. Get in line, buddy. 502. 502. Let's go. Dude, we still have 40 minutes. Can we get 600? Do you think we can get 600 in the next 40 minutes? Listen, y'all. Listen. Oh my God. Everybody right now, share this stream on X. Send it to your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife, your husband, your sons, your daughters, anybody that has a YouTube account. Right now, send it to them immediately. Can we get to 600? We still have 40 minutes. All right. We hit 500. I know for sure Slacks may have gone to bed. I know for sure we can do four more. We can do 4 more Rocket Scooter Bootcamp giveaways for sure. So let me hook up. Let me get my comment picker back up here. We're gonna do 500. The number 500. If you want to be in the drawing, for a boot camp, type in 500. Type in 500 if you want to be in the drawing. Slacks is in the drawing. Type in 500 in the chat if you want to give. I'm going to give away 4 more boot camps for getting to 500 likes, guys. It's incredible. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting the stream. We're going to give away 4 boot camps, 4 Rocket Scooter boot camps. We're giving them away. 420. Rigged. We're giving away 4 boot camps. Thank you for getting us to 500. We still have 45. No, we have 40 minutes left. We might get to 600. We might get to 600. How badass would that be? All right, we're giving it, you got 45 seconds. 45 seconds, and then we're going to spin. We can spin 4 times. We can spin 4 times on this. Let me make it smaller, though, so I can... Do I short MHP for a 4th time? Get rid of all these jokers. Lady Darb's birthday's next week. I gotta buy her something nice. Oh, I don't have to. I want to. I want to buy her something nice. It's a big birthday. I already got. We're going out. I'm gonna be streaming on her birthday. Thursday night is her birthday. I'll be streaming, so we can't do it that night. But Friday night we're gonna go out. We're gonna have a good time. Take the night off? No. She's not even taking the night off. She has to teach hot Pilates Thursday night. She has a class Thursday night that she's going to teach. So I'm going to take her to lunch on Thursday. So we'll have a nice lunch on Thursday, and then Friday she'll get her gift and we'll go out. Big birthday. What's she turning? 35? Kevin? If you were present with her, she would give you the biggest hug for saying that. She's turning it's one of the anniversaries of her 21st birthday. Take her to Texas Roadhouse. Nah, I don't think that's gonna work. All right, let me grab the names. We're giving away, guys. We're giving away 4 boot camps. We're giving away 4 boot camps. You can stop typing. You can stop typing 500. We got to 500 likes, so we're giving away 4 more boot camps. This will be 20 boot camps tonight. This will be 20 boot camps tonight. All right. The winner, the first winner of our first boot camp giveaway is the first winner. Scalp Day Trader. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here, Scalp Day Trader. Type something in chat, Scalp Day Trader. Let me know you're here. Sweet, you're the first winner. Hang on, I'll show you. I'll tell you what to do in just a minute. Let's get the rest of these guys. Winner number 2. Was he? Oh wait, yeah, he was the first. He was the first of the last guys. All right, this is Riddle Diddle Winner is winner number 1. Riddle Diddle Winner. That's so hard to say. You're winner number 1. Thank you, Slacks. Riddle Diddle Winner. You got it. You got it. All right. That's winner number 1. Riddle Diddle Winner is winner number 1. Spinning again. Winner number 2. Winner number 2. LSG 2012. Type something in chat. LSG 2012. You guys can stop typing 500. The names have already been put into the wheel of names, so you can stop typing. LSG 2012. LSG 2012. There you go. Your winner number 2 of the Rocket Scooter Boot Camp giveaway. All right. Winner number 3 is winner number 3. Aditya Moria. Aditya Moria. Congratulations, you're winner number 3. Type something in chat. You didn't win anything, Drops. All right, Aditi, I see you. You're winner number 3. And one more. One more. Congrats, Aditi. Winner number 4, Coach Greg. Coach Greg, congrats. You're winner number 4. Are you still here, Coach Greg? Abigail danced with a splashy bang. Spread said thanks for staying. You want to pass it to someone else? Okay. Spinning again. Coach Greg is donating his forward. I thought he had already had one. Winner number 4 is Optimus Works. Optimus Works. Your winner number 4. Type something in chat. Let me know you're here. Dang, y'all. What a great stream tonight. So if you're down by a quiet stream. Are you here, Optimus? Yep. Oh, you're going to pass it to someone too? Another one. Another one. Paying it forward. Rigged, 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 rigged. All right, spinning it up. Kimberly Campos. Wait, Kimberly, you've never taken the boot camp before? I feel like a lot of people probably thought we were doing a prop account giveaway and they entered their name. Kimberly, do you want the boot camp or do you want to pay it forward? She wants to pass it. You talked to her specifically? Pass. Yeah, I thought you had already won one already. All right. A lot of people saw us typing in 500 and they just started typing. All right. Let's see if we can get another one. Someone who hasn't taken the boot camp. Epic Games PC. You are winner number 4 if you want it. Let me know. Type something in chat. Also not my song. Come on. Let me get back up to some good music. Yes, I want it. Sweet, it's yours. All right, there's your winners. Winners, if you won the boot camp, you're going to go into our Discord. You can find the link to our Discord in the description of this video. Go to the contest channel and you're going to find our admin named Slacks in there. Send him a message. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID and he'll hook you up with how to claim your boot camp. You can go in right now and you can start watching the videos, or you can wait to claim your prize until the beginning of April. And Matt's going to do a live boot camp. It will happen. It's 20 days in a row. It happens at the end of the market close. As soon as the market closes, Matt gets on and he starts teaching for about an hour or so, and it goes for 20 days in a row. So you can either wait for the live one or you can jump in right now, catch the videos from the last one. They're just as good. But congratulations, winners of the boot camp, and thank you guys so much for supporting the stream just incredibly well tonight. Stream showed up tonight. The room showed up, to steal Neon's phrase, the room showed up tonight. Claim your booty camp. Yeah. The room shows up for all the streams, man. The Rocket Scooter community shows up to support all of our streamers, man. Grateful to be a part of this with you guys. Is Neon his real name? Yeah. Isn't that the coolest real name you've ever heard? His last name is Gas. Aditya, did you hear the instructions on how to claim? Oh, Hitcha, I heard Project Hail Mary was really good. I almost went and watched it with my son-in-law while we were up in Dallas, north of Dallas this week. We almost went and watched it. I've heard it's really, really good. What do I use to trade multiple props at once? I use Tradevate. You can log in with multiple Tradevate logins. So usually I'll have like my funded futures account underneath all of these above my head. I'll have a couple of those going. I just rotate them. I don't copy trade. I rotate my accounts. So if I take a small loss, I'll rotate to the next one and trade it. And then if depending on that one, I'll just keep rotating through. I don't copy trade. I know a lot of people like to copy trade. It doesn't fit me. I don't like it. If I take one big loss, then it gets spread across all the accounts at one time, and then I'm just done for the day. I don't have another opportunity. And being able to rotate through gives me more shots to take for an entire trading session or an entire trading day. The thing about Asia that I've learned is I need to be more patient with Asia because it's just the beginning of the trading day. And honestly, my edge is a lot better in the New York session than it is in the overnight session. I've had mixed results in the Asia session since I've been streaming. I'm getting better. It's starting to refine a little bit, but the best trading I do is in the New York session, for sure. Neon the room shows up. Here's your sign, your neon sign. Yep, that's right. Here's your sign. Tradevate, Sam. Tradevate is free if you use it. So when you sign up for a prop firm, Sam, it's going to ask you what platform you want to use. And so, like, I'm trading the Lucid accounts right now. These Lucid accounts that you see on the screen. When you go to purchase, it's going to ask you what platform you want, and NinjaTrader Tradevate is an option. And so you would just select that when you go to checkout, and then when they'll send you the credentials to Tradevate. You open Tradevate, you put in the credentials that you need that they give you, and then it pulls up the platform and you can trade. Now this platform right here is Trading View, and you can use your Tradevate credentials to open Trading View and trade inside of Trading View. So that's like, it's like Inception. It's like the layer inside the layer. So, and then you can just rotate your accounts by selecting what account you want to trade and so on and so forth. So, Juan Lago said, I just watched the Paprika movie. It's so good. My life just changed to see the market direction is better light. Paprika? Is that an actual movie out called Paprika? Really? Giveaway's over, guys. Kurt, you were amazed at how Matt called out that the market was going to drop on Friday? Yeah. He definitely called it. The DD band, it's not the low of the night. So the DD band, we have an upper DD band and a lower DD band, and they are put on the chart before the session begins. Before we knew this thing was going to gap down, we have DD bands. So DD bands are based on risk intervals. Man, do we short this fourth time? Anybody going to short this again for the fourth time? So the DD band is based off of the CME margin requirement. So when the market closes and settles at the end of the day, the CME, who is the regulator for the futures trading, they update their margin requirements for people that have accounts, live accounts. And it determines, like how many contracts, how much money you have to be able to control a certain amount of contracts, yada, yada, yada. Well, they have a formula that they put in their span papers that tells you how they calculate the margin requirements. And Matt kind of reverse engineered the formula. He's a chemical engineer, math genius. Reverse engineered that and created this formula that shows, okay, well, based on what the CME margin requirements are, we can calculate one risk interval above and below that when price gets to it, this magical thing happens where the market reacts and responds and doesn't want to go outside of those bands. Now, it can go outside of those bands, and when it does go outside of those bands, it gets very volatile, and the market becomes what we call irrational, and just you can get crazy whippy action. So we calculate the DD bands, but they're great pivots to use and set up an actionable trade. You can see right here off of ES, and you can see right here off of NQ. 1, 2, 3, 4 times tonight has pivoted right off the DD bands that we had marked up from Rocket Scooter Tools before the session opened. So it's crazy. We only 8% of days will close below this DD band, and 4% of days will close outside of the upper DD band. So we have over 90% statistics that say price will close inside of the DD bands up to 92% of the time lower and 96% of the time upper. So that's what the DD band is. It's not necessarily a low of the night. It just says, hey, when price gets here, based on the margin requirements from the CME group, this is one risk interval away, and we can calculate the risk interval from the formula that they give us. It's not that formula, but we kind of reverse engineered that formula, Matt did, to help us identify what the risk interval is going into the new session, so that if price gets to it, we can take some trades in and around it. It's DD, not BB, and it just stands for Doomsday. When they originally did it, it was called risk interval bands, but Matt didn't want to call it the RIB. He thought that sounded kind of corny, and so the community came up with DD because, it was called risk interval band RIB, but it sounded kind of cheesy, so we called it Doomsday band instead. Because Doomsday just sounds cooler. But it's a risk interval. And it's all calculated behind the scenes inside the Rocket Scooter platform. Matt, have you seen... he gets us in trouble, yeah. Matt, did you see that the risk interval on the Rocket Scooter platform is not calculating on E-mini? The NASDAQ, E-mini, Russell, all this. No risk interval. It's showing up everywhere else, but it's not showing up. I didn't know if you had seen that or not. I'm assuming you had, but a bug related to expiration. Gotcha. I figured you had. Just wanted to make sure. A lot of people keep asking, and I was like, well, I know they hear me saying it. And not that I'm as believable as you are, but you're a little more believable than I am. Straight from the horse's mouth. I'm Timu Matt. Yeah, that's right. I'm Timu Matt, Aldi Matt, Walmart Matt. I'm all of them. Top of the range.
Should have been right, instead I just sighed. Knew the setup, knew the shot, knew the score. But I sat on my hands and begged for more. Chance was there, but I turned away. Now I'm haunted by the price I paid. No,
Micro mat. There you go. That's not bad.
no glory. That's my story.
That's not bad.
Stay rocky, run clean.
Neon is great value, Matt.
Nail down while the price
Okay.
That's my
Does he know that?
no guts, no glory. You don't get
There's only one Matt. That is to be sure.
steps out. Rocket called my name, I let it pass by. Now I'm stuck singing blues till the day I die.
I have a new song I'm working on. I'll hopefully have it done for y'all tomorrow. Courtesy says, do you need a subscription with TradingView using Lucid? So TradingView does have a cost for to use it, but you can trade Lucid on Tradeovate or NinjaTrader. You don't have to use TradingView. Tradeovate has its own platform and own desktop. Like it has a desktop app. You can log in on the web. You can trade off the DOM. Like you could have TradingView open if you didn't want to trade on TradingView or a charting platform, and then you could just trade off the DOM, which we do a lot. So Kurt says, so basically the bands help us get a better entry price. Is this correct? Yeah, I mean, so Kurt, one of the things you'll learn in Rocket Scooter is that we typically will always, it's called an EST play. So every single time EST, every single time price on the lower DD band, that's a buy for us. Now we don't always short the upper DD band. From a bullish price action, we're not going to short an upper DD band typically. You can, I mean, there are people that will and have integrated that into their trading plan, but the typical Rocket Scooter play is for wait for the upper DD band to get to break out and return, and then buy off of the upper DD band. But definitely on the lower DD band, we look to buy off of the lower DD band pretty much EST every single time. I took it twice tonight and clawed back my small little loss. So we're just kidding, Brad. You're the best. I love to watch Matt and Neon. I couldn't have time. Thank you, Sema Show, for watching, and I hope you watch all of us. Ramen Trader, if I were to, I mean, the MHP, I wanted to take this short. I framed this short up tonight, and I just didn't pull the trigger. I had made one bad trading decision earlier, and it messed with my head going into that trade that I wanted, and I didn't take it. But MHP has held very nicely, has kept price inside this nice little tight little range here. I don't know that it will reject all the way back down to the bottom again, but I'm probably done heading. I don't know. We still have 10 more minutes. I typically don't like to get into a position this late. I had my two opportunities. First one didn't work out. The second one was a bad idea, and then the third and fourth trade were actually really decent trades to take tonight. Yeah, Matt's trading. If you've never seen Matt's stream, you need to go watch it, because he's trading his live cash account. He put in $100,000, and the stream, everybody in chat was just basically like, dude, go to $1 million, go to $1 million, go to $1 million. So he's like, fine, I'll do a $1 million challenge. And so since January, he's been trading. Well, really back in December, he's been trading his live cash account. Got it up to $600,000 a couple weeks ago, and the day Trump said the war was going to be over soon, he was out of the room and he had 20 contracts on, and it shot up 250 points, and he lost like 200 and something $1,000. Over the next week and a half, he built it back up to like 580, and then last week he withdrew everything down to $200,000 to lock in $300,000, like $300,000 or $400,000 profit. So he's got 400, like whatever that amount was. I don't know what the number was exactly. Yeah, the world's most expensive flowers. So he's locked in all of that profit. It's guaranteed. It's there on the table. I mean, it's there in his account. And now he still has, he left 200K in, and I think he's already back up to close to 300,000 now. And he's going to keep running that up to $1 million. So it's phenomenal to watch him manage the large position sizes. And when you're trading that big, you know, he'll lose $30, $40, $50,000, and trolls will come in and be like, "Oh my God, this guy, he's lost 30." And they just don't understand, like, when you're dealing with accounts that big, he's partitioned his account. Like, if he's got 7 figures to trade with or 8 figures to trade with, and all he puts in is $100,000, that's like 2% of what his full balance could be. And it doesn't make any sense to put the full margin in there. Like, that's dumb. And they only show up, they never show up on the days when he makes 40K, 50K, 60K, 70K, 80K. Like, they never show up on those days. It's the one day every 9 or 10 days they're like, "Oh, this guy sucks." Meanwhile, he's just pulled out 400K from the market. And they're trying to get a $4,000 payout from Apex and get denied. Whoa! Yeah, how can you withdraw from a demo account? It's just paper money. It's not real. Yeah, all right. Kurt, Matt's been trading for 10 years. Futures trading. He may have been trading longer than that. He's been trading on YouTube. He's been trading futures on YouTube since 2016. So 10 years he's been on YouTube. He may have been trading 16 years total, 10 years streaming. In fact, our Discord is the oldest futures day trading Discord in existence. There is no Discord that is older than the Rocket Scooter Discord. Everyone else followed Matt's path. All of these people that have their own paid Discords and groups or whatever, they can thank Matt. They won't, but they could. Link for him. Black Swan Traders, what link do you want? Do you want the Rocket Scooter community for the Discord? To take the boot camp and the tools? Is that what you need? Is that what you're asking for? Or do you want like his X? Do you want like his Twitter handle or what? What do you need, bud? I'm subscribed to Rocket Scooter Tools, but I didn't see on my chart the DD bands your chart show when I go. Yeah, so there's a bug right now that had to do with the contract expiration, DTL trades. They're working on it. The numbers that I have on my chart are the best. They're based on Friday's risk interval. So they're as accurate as they can be without knowing what the new risk, if the risk interval number changed by 1 or 2 points, they might be off slightly. But you can see the way price is reacting around these DD bands that I have here, that I think we have them pretty much where they need to be. But once we get that bug fixed, they'll populate in the new table and you can pull them. Kurt, you need the link to sign up? Yeah, sure, man. Hold on. I got you. You can go to that link right there that I just put into the chat. Anybody that is interested in taking the boot camp, it's $20. Or if you want to get the Rocket Scooter platform itself so that you can have access to all of these levels and the tools available, which includes the boot camp as well, you can make all of those purchases at that link that I just put in there. Yeah, absolutely, man. For sure. This channel right here, Black Swan, this channel right here is where he trades. So this is Matt's channel. My name is Brad. I am the host of the night shift stream, which you're watching right now. Matt trades the New York session on this very same channel. He comes on about 8:30 Eastern and trades all morning long. He also hosts the lunch hour on My Funded Futures TV. And then our friend Neon streams also on this very same channel from like 1:30 Eastern all the way to market close. Yeah, 545 likes, guys. Incredible night. Absolutely incredible night. Thank you so much. Kurt Nichols, I won the other night. What do I put in? Okay, so Kurt, did you get in touch with Slacks about winning the boot camp? Did you get in touch with Slacks in Discord? I know, Dan. Neon and I both probably need to put our names on there because there's 5 or 6 people every stream that both call us Matt when they come in. That is the link to buy the bootcamp and the Rocket Scooter platform, and that gives you access. If you buy the bootcamp, you get access to the Discord. You can find the link to the Discord in the description of this video. We do have a couple of free, like, public channels on the Discord. Like, we have a song submission channel that people write AI music and they put songs in there. Anybody in the public can see that. I'm not sure what all channels are public in the Discord, but you can go to the link in the description of this video and you can click on it and you can join the Discord and at least see the public channels. But you won't be able to have access to the bootcamp. You won't be able to have access to the Rocket Scooter platform. Those are paid subscriptions. Hey Matt, is that gonna just show up in the Discord tomorrow, or are you gonna wait for are you gonna wait to just open it up when you get online on the stream in the morning? Oh, it's gonna be Tuesday, Wednesday, not tomorrow. Need one more day? Gotcha. Smash that like button, guys. Let's see how many we can get in the last 2 minutes. Let's see how many likes we can get in the last 2 minutes. Come on. The prop scoring website is coming out this week, guys. If you're part of the Rocket Scooter Discord community, you will have access, the very first people on the planet to have access to the prop scoring website. It's a website that basically, think of it as like a credit score for prop firms. You know, people have credit scores to determine how strong their credit is. We have created a mathematical model Thank you, Black Swan. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for joining the channel. 566. That's awesome, guys. Thank you so much. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the prop scoring website. So we created a mathematical model where we put every rule, every account, every little bit of information that a prop has about their account. So what is daily loss limit, max loss limit, intraday drawdown, intraday trailing drawdown, contract size, platforms you can use, max payout, how many days to pay out, how fast do they pay out. Like, we take everything that they have and we put it into a scoring model that's math, not marketing. And it assigns a score for every rule. And then at the end, it spits out a number. It gives a number for the prop firm itself, and then it gives a number for each individual account that prop firm offers. And what you're going to be able to do is quickly see what are the top firms, number one, what are the best accounts, and not only what are the best accounts, but what are the best accounts for the way that you trade. So if you if you're like a 30% evaluating, like a 30% pass rate on evaluations, you're going to be able to put that information in. If you're like a 1 to 3 risk reward trader, you're going to be able to put all of your statistics in and be able to compare. Here's the prop firm and here's the account with that prop firm that you should be using. You're going to be able to see what's the best return on investment overall, not just what a prop firm tells me, not what an affiliate influencer tells me, but what does the math say that is the best account that I should be using based on the way I trade. It's not based on, there's other kind of prop websites out there that people will just kind of aggregate and they scrape all the information and then they get paid to put their favorite ones on top and push certain ones. We're not doing that. This is completely unbiased. This is just, what does the math say are the best accounts? What does the math say are the best firms? So that's coming this week. It's going to be free to use. You're going to be able to, the entire community, anybody that's trading props is going to be able to have access to it. But Rocket Scooter Family is going to have beta access to it first before we launch to the public and market it out to everyone. I'm not in any positions right now. 571 likes. Dude, should I just stay on until we hit 600? We have 29 more likes. Can we get 29 more likes and get to 600 for the first time? Should I stay on until we get to 600? I don't know. I don't know if we can get, do we have 29 more people that can hit the like button that are watching that haven't hit the like button yet? That's the question. Can we get 29 more likes and get to 600? Yes, yes, yes. 600-hour marathon show if we hit 600. I'll stay on. We're at 577. I don't have anything else I can give away. I don't have anything else to give away to celebrate. 577. 23 more likes. 588. 12 more? What? Make your cat stuff the ballot box. 588? Come on. Kevin says he'll donate another boot camp for 600. Let's go. Come on, we can get to 600. Let's go. 12 more people, y'all. Bust a trade. Just want my kids to get on the iPads and hit the likes. 596. Oh my God. Let's go. 600. 4 more. 4 more. It's going to happen. It's going to happen. Oh my God. $598. $598. Two more, baby. Two more, baby. Come on, let's go. Slacks, you got one more? You got one more? You got one more? $598, come on. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. Where is it? Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Damn. 610, let's go. Oh, 613. That's so awesome. Dude, I'm so freaking pumped. Kevin donated another boot camp, so there's 4 more boot camps. Let's go, guys. Let's freaking go. Record setting. I think it was like a week or two ago we got to 500 for the first time, and now here we are 2 weeks later, 617, new record. Thanks, guys. It's all you. It's all you. I'm just sitting here. I'm not doing anything. You guys are the ones doing it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We're going to give away 4 more boot camps. So of course we got to type in 600. Hold on though. Hold on. Don't type anything yet. We got It's crazy. The room freaking shows up, baby. I feel like I need to play. Where's Neon? I need Neon's permission to play his song because the room freaking showed up tonight. Damn it! All right, type in 600. Type in 600. Type in 600. 617. That's insane, bro. That's so freaking cool. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. If we hit 1,000, we all expect a 25K elusive. Adam says, Brad, you're doing an amazing job. Happy that Matt got you on this stream. Thank you. Thank you. And yes, thank you, Matt, for giving me a shot and giving me a chance. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. We're going to give away 4 more boot camps, guys. Thank you, Kevin, for another donation tonight. Appreciate that, bud. We're going to do 4 more boot camps. So type in 600 if you want to win one of 4 Rocket Scooter boot camps. Type in 600 right now. You guys are freaking amazing, man. I don't deserve you. Truly, truly honored. I really am. Thanks, Adam. I appreciate that, man. Slacks just wants to go to bed and not have to go deal with anybody else. And he's like, God, stop liking. Stop liking. All right. I'm gonna grab them. We got 42 names. All right, grabbing them. Here we go. Oh, freaking A. Of course, it would do that to me on the last one of the night. All right, there's all the names. I'll get rid of the Rocket Scooter name. We don't need that. Oops. I think it was down. Scary drawdown. All right, shuffle it up. Here we go. Here we go. Spinning for, this is gonna be 24 boot camps tonight. 24 boot camps. Dimbaz, type something in chat. Let me know you're here. You're winner number 1 of the first boot camp. Any more boot camp donations to come in tonight? We may have to save them for tomorrow. Is D-Bots here? Okay, cool. Dimbaz, you won the first one. Hang on and I'll tell you how to claim your prize. Don't go anywhere. Spinning for number 2. Spinning for number 2. Nico New, type something in chat. Nico NU9WS. Are you here, Nico?
The rocket scooter reaper rides again. He's hunting traitors who play pretend.
All right, Nico's here. You're winner number 2, buddy. You're winner number 2. Don't go anywhere. I'll tell you to claim your prize in just 1 second. Winner number 3. Winner number 3. Wait, didn't this guy win already? LSG 2012. Didn't you already win? Yeah, he already won. We're taking him out. All right. Remove that. Shuffle up. Winner number 3. Winner number 3. CS Davis. CS Davis, are you here? CS Davis.
Bull's on bottom.
You win. You gotta type something, buddy.
Liquidity pump.
You won an account like 5 months ago? Okay. It's just anytime the chat starts typing in numbers, people see it flying by and they start typing and they think they're gonna win an account. Lord Kick. Lord Kick, pay it forward. All right. Still looking for winner number, what are we on, 3? We're looking for winner number 3. Blown cop car. LSG, you already won one tonight. You can only win it one time. You won a boot camp earlier tonight. On the chat giveaway, I think. Blown cop car, are you here? Woo! There's winner number 3. We got another one. All right, winner number 4. Yeah, LSG, you already won. You already won this Rocket Scooter Boot Camp. You've already won one. They're all gonna be from I Am Liquidity. They're all gonna be from the night shift. Idolize, you're the winner of the 4th boot camp for getting to 600 likes. We're at 624. Holy shit. All right. There's all 4 boot camps. There's all 4. Way to go, guys. All right, if you won the boot camp, here's what you're going to do. You are going to go into the description. Uh-oh. You're going to go into the description of this channel right here. And you're going to get to the Discord link in the description of this video. You are going to go to the contest channel inside of Discord, and you are going to find our admin named Slacks inside of the contest channel, inside Discord. And from there, you're going to let him know you won one of the boot camps. Send him a screenshot of your YouTube ID, and Slacks will hook you up with your boot camp, okay? There you go. That's how you claim your prize. All right, we just had some news hit. Israel military has begun a wide-scale wave of strikes targeting Iranian infrastructure in Tehran. That's not good. I guess they didn't want to wait for the 48-hour turnover. And all I did was just take a short off of that news. I'm probably a little late to that play, but we'll see if it plays out. That's not great news. Wide scale wave of strikes targeting Iranian infrastructure in Tehran. Ooh, Matt dropping some hints. Matt says, I'm going to give you guys a hint on prop scoring. Phidias Static is a sleeper hit and like unbelievably good. 1 day eval, 1 day funded, $1,000 bonus paid out on the second day, and static. We're finding all these gems. See, this is the beautiful part of this website is there's so many accounts out there. There's so many firms. Now we have one place to go. Oh my God, I've never heard of these guys, or I've barely heard of these guys, but this account they have is actually goated. Static only. That's hilarious. I have never even been to the Phidias website. Let's go look at it. Let's go look at it. All right, here we go. Static account, no monthly subscription, evaluation and activation included, no rush to pass, lifetime funded account. 25K static, $55 one time. Profit target is 1,500, 2 minis. Max drawdown is 500, but remember that static drawdown. It does not move at end of day. It doesn't move intraday. It's static. It never comes off of that $500. Ninja Trader coming soon. Coming soon. It's not there yet. So you've got to use either Sierra Chart, Deep Charts, ATAS, Motive Wave, or Quant Tower right now. See, this might be one of the reasons a lot of people don't want to use them, is because they don't have the Ninja Trader ecosystem. You can't use Trade-Evate, you can't use Ninja Trader. That might be one of the reasons they're kind of lagging. But these are still good platforms to use. That's crazy. How do you find, man, their Q&A is kind of difficult to, oh, here we go, 25K static account. Here we go. The trader can hold up to 5 25K static accounts. The trader can accumulate up to $2,500 in credit on their live account. No end of day, no trailing drawdown. Target is 1,500. Direct access to the live account after validation of the $1,500 objective on your cash account. News trading is authorized. No consistency rules. No minimum number of trading days on eval, cash, or live. Payout possible from day +1 of cash account. The activation fee for cash, I think it's included though, it said. In live, payout possible every day with no maximum amount limit. How it works. First step evaluation. Take the evaluation, reach $1,500 with a $500 static drawdown. Never moves. No matter how big your buffer get, it always stays 500. Second step, if you've reached the objective of $1,500 on your cash account, you get a $1,000 payout bonus for reaching the objective, and your account is transferred to a live account. So you get, if you pass the eval, you get a $1,000 payout bonus on the eval. That's sick. And then you're transferred to a live account. For each validated cash 25K static account, your live account is credited with funds enabling you to trade for 2 lots or 20 micros with a $500 static account on the live side. Your validated cash accounts are cumulative, so if you have several validated cash live static 25K accounts up to 5, your live account will be credited on a pro rata basis. So a trader validates 5 accounts and receives a $5,000 bonus for passing the damn eval. Their live account is credited with 2 lots and an authorized loss. Oh, so they add it all together. So now you have a $2,500. Now you have a $2,500 static drawdown. If you get all 5, if you pass all 5, you get a $5,000 bonus and you're moved to live with a $2,500 static drawdown with 2 lots. Dang. The possibility for traders with 5 validated cash accounts to obtain a live account in the same proportions as a 50K fundamental or swing with the added bonus of a static loss.
That shit a green on the screen.
Dude.
The payouts, the wins.
Withdrawal requests can be made every day with no obligation to respect a minimum number of trading days or consistency. Requests must be for a minimum amount of $500 as long as the account balance remains above the initial balance plus 100. Payments are processed daily.
The truth.
A request can be initiated as soon as the trader's live balance is adjusted on their account. They use Rise for their payouts exclusively. The profit is 80-20.
When the door first cracked open, this ain't luck.
My gosh. I had no idea you had game like this, Phidias. I had no idea you had game like this, Phidias. Oh, sorry. Chat's blowing up and I didn't even read it. Oh, you pass the eval, then you get 1,500 and then you go to funded, so you don't get the bonus if you just pass originally. Passing the funded, not eval. Okay. Sorry. I got excited. Leave me alone. It's confusing, but I read it 100 times. You got to pass eval, then you get your 25K cash account. That if you get that, you get your $1,000 bonus on, and you can have 5 of them. Okay, I'm with you now. I'm with you. That's still really great. Yeah, for $55. For $55. Yeah. Yeah, man, I got you. I got you now. I was getting excited. You get the bonus after hitting profit target on funded, which is day 2. 1 day to pass the eval. 1 day on funded, and you could pass that and get your bonus, and then you go to live. So yeah, 2 days to $1,000 payout. That's crazy. 2 days. Phidias. Wags Graham, we're talking about Phidias. The prop firm is Phidias. The profit split on live was 80-20. 18% ROI in 2 days and static in 1 sentence. That's incredible. That's what this website is going to be able to do for us, is immediately be able to identify these kinds of evals. It's going to help the community out so much. And you're going to see firms like Phidias all of a sudden, like organically, just like all of a sudden everyone's going to be talking about Phidias because of a prop firm like this that can go out and with math be able to tell you and show you how goated that is. That's incredible. The drawdown doesn't move. A static account means if you start at 0 and you have a $500 static drawdown, if you make $500, now you have a $1,000 drawdown. If you make $5,000, now you have $5,500. That $500 drawdown never moves. It's static. That's what static means. It just stays there. Versus most of your prop firms, like these Lucid accounts that I have, their end of the day drawdown. So I have a $2,000 drawdown. And at the end of the day, if I made money on the account, the drawdown moves up so that it stays $2,000 behind my high water mark of my liquidity, right? So, but a static account doesn't move. If you make money, the static stays right where it's at, and now you have that bigger buffer to work with. So that's fantastic. Yeah, so Matt's saying all of the other Phidias accounts are kind of below average, but their static account is really freaking awesome. We'll be able to find the diamonds in the rough from every firm. So some firms might have really bad accounts, but they have one that really stands out that you can go take advantage of. And that's what we're hoping that this website does. Yeah, I can't wait to see it. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be really, really nice. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, I'm going to kill this. What a great stream tonight, guys. This has been fantastic. Stream showed up, the room showed up, the community showed up. You guys got us. We're at 631 likes. It's a new record for the night shift. We're almost 50. We're over 5,600 viewers for the night. It's incredible. I mean, you guys just killed it. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Make sure you check out Matt's stream in the morning. He's going to have all kinds of information about the new website. He's going to have information about Go charting, all of the things. And you're going to get to see him trade his live cash account as he works his way to $1 million. So check his stream out, check Neon's stream out in the afternoon. And of course, I'll be back tomorrow night as we run up to the 48-hour deadline that Trump gave to Iran to open the Strait of Hormuz. That'll be probably about the time we get on the stream tomorrow night. So we'll see how that plays out. But now comes time for the tuck-in. This is when we get to say good night, sweet dreams of green. Yeah, Matt is live at 8:30 Eastern tomorrow morning. Slacks, please go to bed and get some sleep, my friend. I love you guys. Sweet dreams of green. Night shift is clocking out. Justin Tellian, good night, man. Blackwinder, good night. Brad Petty, Adam Daz, good night, guys. 6:35, let's go. Kevin X, have a great night. Thanks for the donations tonight, bud. Lewis Futures, thanks for being here. Good night. It's Burns Trade, sweet dreams, buddy. Fraser, sweet dreams, bud. I am Liquidity, good night. Good morning. Lord Kid, good night. Mom Bucks, good night. Saint M's, good night. Adam Daz, good night. Mac Dabrowski, good night, bud. T-Woo, good night. Hitcha, good night. Sweet dreams, Matt. Kurt Nichols, good night. Slacks, go to bed. Turn the lights off, man. Shut it down. Zul from Finland, good night. Nico, good night. Good night. Sean Mitri, great stream. Good night. Thanks for being here. Kurt Nichols, thank you so much. Good night, man. Dishu, good night. Kimberly Campos, sweet dreams. Quentin Hines, good night, my friend. Thank you so much for being here and supporting the stream. Doc. Good night, girl. Have a great night. Coach Fred, good night. Moon Boy, good night. Captain Jack, good night. Drops, thank you so much for the donations again, man. Have a great night. Dan, you got to get some sleep too, man. Go to sleep. Cats don't need to eat. Good night, hero villain.
Sweet dreams are made of green. Sweet dreams of green.
Cool Tickle, good night. Roll of the Lamb, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. Have a great night, buddy.
Sweet dreams tonight. Night shift, clocking out. Close the charts, power down. Good night, sleep tight. Sweet dreams of green tonight.
Adam, 636, mate. 637, let's go.